In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email multiple invoices at once in QuickBooks. If you regularly send invoices to several customers, doing them one by one can take extra time and slow down your workflow. The good news is that QuickBooks gives you a simple batch sending option, so you can email multiple invoices all at once in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so the process feels quick and easy. Start by opening QuickBooks and navigating to the Invoice area. To get there, go to All Apps, or if your layout shows the Sales menu, select Sales and then Invoice. This will bring you to the list of invoices in your account. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct invoice list before moving on. Once you're on the invoice page, find the invoices you want to email. You'll see checkboxes next to each invoice in the list. Select the checkboxes beside every invoice you want to include in the batch email. It's a good idea to quickly review your selections before sending, just to make sure you've chosen the right invoices and haven't missed any. After selecting the invoices, look for the Batch Actions option. Click on Batch Actions and then choose Send. This tells QuickBooks to send all of the selected invoices by email at the same time. It's one of the easiest ways to handle invoice communication more efficiently, especially if you're managing a larger number of customer transactions. Once you click Send, QuickBooks will automatically process the emails for the invoices you selected. In most cases, you'll see a confirmation pop up, letting you know the action was completed successfully. That confirmation is useful because it lets you know the batch send has gone through and your invoices are on their way. And that's it. That's how to email multiple invoices at once in QuickBooks. As a quick tip before using batch send, make sure your invoices are ready to go and that the customer email information in QuickBooks has already been set up correctly, so the process runs smoothly. Using this feature can save time, reduce repetitive work, and make your billing process much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline the way you send invoices in QuickBooks.